Hi, so you're probably here for the secret recipe to ace your CFM exams in next 24 hours. Let me be honest with you, CFM is a curse to see a student. CS have pulled us for the theoretical part but left us trapped with this practical shit. Well, don't worry, I got you covered. Now before actually starting, let's put people in two rooms. Room 1 full of people who have actually studied throughout the year, have maintained their consistency and were actually dedicated towards their class, but for some or the other reason, they are not feeling confident enough that they'll manage to pass. For them, I have 5 chapters which are very essential for December attempt 24. In FM, it's capital budgeting and working capital. In CA, it's consolidation, cash flow statement, and issue of shares for future and reissue of shares. These are the chapters जिनसे question आएंगे ही आएंगे, and by following these chapters, maybe you can score good amount of marks rather than just managing to pass. Now, let's talk about room 2 people. Yes, I'm talking about you. You have procrastinated throughout the year, haven't opened CFM ki book ever, and ignored every plan to start from tomorrow. And look, here you are, just 24 hours before your exams. But don't worry, I'm in room 2 with you. I'm in same shoes. Like, how can I not be if you are there? Although I'm just an average student, just the way you are. So for us, let me be brutally honest, and you can surely criticize me for that, but there's no secret sauce for us, and it's too late. Yes, it's actually too late, and we cannot help each other. So it is a reality and we cannot get rid of it. Cause CFM is a fucking hell. Unlike theory subjects where we can flip through important topics, there's nothing the same for CFM. CFM is more about practice and less of understanding it. And one जिसने practice नहीं की है CFM की, yes, it is too late for us and we cannot do anything about it. But what can we actually do? So since it's too late, still we can brace ourselves to go out in exam hall and face our fear. Let's just go, attempt the paper and let's get an actual reality check कि हम कितने पानी में हैं, क्योंकि C-Law, SBLL and JIGL is a way different thing, but CAFM is an actual course for CS students. So at this peak time, better you flip through everything that you have done yet and उसे और ज़्यादा polish करो and make your grip more stronger and maybe you can manage to pass अगर भगवान की कृपा रही तो. Now before you go, let me tell you, I'm a CS aspirant just the way you are, and I will be posting very raw, unfiltered and brutally honest lessons and experiences जो मुझे अपनी journey में मिल रहे हैं, and they might help you or maybe you find it relatable. So do hit the subscribe button and let's make a big huge CS aspirants की family here. All the best for your exams and do brace yourselves to face your fear. All the best and good luck to everyone. Bye.